Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can place custom guides in the canvas on Adobe Express Photos for orientation, for example. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your photo editing project on Adobe Express Photos. And first guys, you will need to enable rulers and guides. To do that, navigate to File here in the top left. From that menu, navigate to Rulers and Guides and enable rulers and guides. Just make sure that guides are not locked. So once that's done, what you want to do is hover your mouse over the ruler, either the horizontal or the vertical one, and you will see that the cursor, or that there will appear a line like this, a guide. So if you'd like to position it on the given height, click into the plus button and then you will see the guide here. You can do the same for this ruler here. For example, here, here, and here. And let me also add two more on the vertical ruler here, or y-axis, and here we got the x-axis. And now for orientation, I have divided that canvas into these 16 sectors so that you can now use that. Now, what if you want to remove these once you have finished creating or editing your image? This is how you do it, guys. Navigate to or click into the given guide, and then with your left mouse, and then click into that trash icon here to remove these one by one. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.